Hey again, it's Keegan, and in this speech I was going to write about America. But to be honest, there's just so many people know about America, there's probably not anything new I could tell y'all. So I thought it'd be a better idea and a little more interesting if I talked to y'all about the Japanese culture. Now, I have always loved the Japanese culture, whether it's their food, which is a big one, I'm telling you, their overall culture, the landscape and certain plants located in Japan, or as an artist, their art style. Now, what do I mean by their art style? It's like you can't categorize an entire culture into one style, right? Of course not, but kinda. They actually have a traditional style which is different from a lot of places. They have their specific way of how they depict samurai and dragons. Sorry, my alarm's going off. Yeah, they have this specific way they depict dragons and samurais, and you can see it in a lot of their traditional art. It is actually so unique. I think if you put one of their drawings with 20, 30 other drawings, it'd be very easy to pick out. Now, the next thing I wanted to talk about is their landscape and culture. Now, for culture, this isn't a big one for me. I don't know much about it. I am mostly just referring to how they are now a free country from what I've heard. Now, the big thing for me is the landscapes. I love beauty. I think that is why I draw, actually. And in Japan, there are just so many beautiful plants. So, bonsai trees are rather popular there. There are Japanese maple trees, which are actually, they can be like bright red, which is cool. There's azaleas, which are bright pink bushes, and they can be grown in other parts of the world too, like anything can. Um, there are actually a lot of pink plants from what I found. There are azaleas. There are wisteria, which is more of a lavender color to be honest, and same with hydrangea. There is camellia. There is peonies. Oh, and something else I found really cool. There is something called black mondo grass, which is just straight up black grass, which I just think is so cool. Now, I think this would be perfect for emo people's yards, and I hope that doesn't offend anyone, but it'd actually be really sick, and I need someone to try it. Now, the biggest thing for me, the food. There is so much good food there. Okay, so there is sushi, which everyone knows. There is takoyaki, which I don't even really know how to describe it. It's something that would probably be best if you Googled it and you can see how delicious it is. There is tempura, which is usually kind of like a fried shrimp with seasonings. I don't know how to describe it. There is soba, which is a delicious noodle dish. Sashimi, which is raw fish basically. Miso soup. Oden. There's my puppy. Japanese curry. Onigiri, which is really delicious. It's kind of basic, but it's great. And if I'm being honest with everyone, I think I would very happily live in Japan for the food alone. Now, that is going to be the end. I'm sorry if it was kind of long. It shouldn't be too long. What is that? 3.5 minutes? See, it's not too long. And I don't know. I just kind of enjoy every aspect of Japan. There's not much that I would dislike about it. Yeah, I don't know. I like Japan's everything. Thank you all for watching. That's going to be the end of it. Sorry, I'm trying to wrap it up. And I'll see y'all all soon with another speech. Thank you for watching.